Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Totally Explode. Today I'm going to show you the unboxing of HP 65 watts USB C type charger. So this is for a gaming laptop. Whether will it work or not? Let's get into the video of unboxing. Yes, so first let's look into the details given in the box, what it says and what all it reads about. So it's mostly given either in Japanese or Korean, or it could be Chinese as well. So the MRP quoted on the box is around 3001 rupees. So this is imported directly from China. It's in the month of August, so it's the latest piece. So but I think it is getting sold for a retail price of around 1500 rupees or around 1900 rupees, I suppose. So this is what it looks, guys. So all the features, all the specifications written on that. And yeah, this is in comparison with the actual gaming laptop, which is 330 watts charger. So as that gaming laptop charger was huge, so this I purchased as a replacement for that while traveling. So it easily fits in my backpack, and it is lightweight to carry. So yeah, this is the signature knife which I always use for unboxing. This is my cute red knife. So let's cut open the box and see. There are two stickers, company stickers, which are on either sides of the box. So once you cut down both of these, so let's safely put aside the knife, and then yeah, let's pull out the actual box itself. This is how HP has packed it. It's a small cute little box. I am very much impressed with the size of this charger. It definitely is a slow charger when compared to the actual charger which came with my Acer Predator Helios 16 laptop, which is 330 watts charger, and it's pretty huge, and it charges your 90 watt hour battery in just under 1 hour. Yeah, there is some documentation given in this box. There's not much of the details because it's a pretty simple product. So it's just a charger, USB-C type charger, so you'll not worry about reading these documentation. Just put them aside. Maybe there are some support details which you want to look into and register your product. That's the only purpose of the documentation. And this is the actual charger itself, which I pulled out from the box. Yeah, it comes with a standard Indian type 3-pin plug, and the other end goes to the charging brick. It's a pretty cute small and little charger, which is half of your palm size. It's a 65 watt charger and a USB-C type. On the box, as you can see, as I showed you, it supports fast charging, says. So this is what it looks like, guys. So thanks for watching this, and please do like, share and subscribe this video, which will definitely help me out. I'll meet you in my next video. Thank you.